I realized that business is not just about profits, but about helping also the community, not just by giving back to the community, but by helping the community while doing business. So yun yung nakita ko sa social entrepreneurship. And then next is about financial planning. When I came here to Dubai, I said to myself that I will stay here only for a maximum of 5 years. But now, I've been in Dubai for more than 10 years. So, thanks to LSE, LSE helped me to devise concrete plans para sa aking pagbabalik bayan. And right now, I've done steps para sa aking pagbabalik bayan. And lastly, dun sa leadership program natin, I realized that all of us are already leaders in our own right. Sabi nga ni Alan, kapag punta pa lang natin dito, ay malaking step na yun, being a leader. So, yun po. So, for fellow graduates, let us not look at this graduation ceremony as an end of our LSE journey, but rather as a milestone. Let us continue to apply what we have learned in the LSE program in our daily lives, and to share what we have learned sa ating mga kababayan, and especially sa mga families natin back home sa Pilipinas. Salamat po.
The last testimonial comes from Paulina Balongay.
Good afternoon sa lahat. Ako po si Pauline. I've been living here in Dubai for 6 years as the helper of an Australian family. And it's really a privilege and honor na makasama ako dito sa leadership and social entrepreneurship programs na kinandak ng Ateneo de Manila. It's really, for me, it's really it's like it's a privilege. Nung unang sinabi sa akin ni Sam na, halika, mag-join tayo ng LSE. Ano ba yan? Akala ko yung mga lesson lang na ginaganap. So when I just joined, and then when the first, for the first speaker, I was really captivated. Oh, maganda ito. Marami kang matutunan dito. I thought to myself. And this time, so I really thanks to all the speakers, especially those who came all the way from the Philippines to impart their knowledge to us for free. Sa lahat ng mga natutunan ko, I want to share some of it sa atin. So, ang number one kong natutunan ko ay bilang isang OFW, I'm not only focusing on myself, but how to give back to the community. When I go home or my relatives, to all those less fortunate na relatives ko sa mga kabayan natin, before, when I heard about a social issue, I don't care. Sa akin, sabi ko naman, hindi ko naman problema yun eh. Problema nila yun. When I attended the LSE, it changed my perspective that we need to, if there's a social problem, we need to find a solution. How can we be a help to that? And how can we find the right solution for it? So, napabago yung pag-iisip. And one thing that I learned is, I learned to socialize. I learned to work as a team. It's very challenging because when I get into the class, all is career women, they are businessmen, and I was shocked to know that we are only 3 helpers here in this class. So, you know, when we first come in, titingin kaming tatlo. Oh, all our classmates are it helped us really to, you know, to work as a team, as a group. You have to contribute properly, whatever you, even if we are helpful, we have to contribute whatever we know to the group. And it helped me a lot. You know? And then another thing is the goal setting. That I learned there must be a time for all our goals. There must be price and there must be time for it, so that when we go to the Philippines, we know already where we are going, what we want to do. So all our goal will be time bound. Sa pag ganito, 3 taon, kailangan mo na mag-for good, meron na akong ipon na ganito. So it's really helped a lot, especially when we were at the Philippine Consulate when we are learning there. I can visualize already that, oh, okay, I will be retiring early. So, and lastly, na natutunan ko is how to make a business plan. It's really, really helpful. This is, I think, the most laborious part of the LSC. We really burn candle for it, you know, because it's a group, it's not individual. So we have to come together. Kahit busy kami, we have to join together to discuss whatever it is. So it's really helped, but I can confidently say that when I start my business, I can do my own business plan. So I was really thankful to the LSC and to all the secretariats and all the organizers, the Philippine Consulate, for giving us this opportunity, especially for us who is those who are working at home. So I actually encourage all my friends that for the next part, you better join because you will learn a lot from here. I will congratulations, and we will continue to be a part and to be a blessing to all. God bless and thank you.